So, I just happened to be walking across bridges the other day, looking for terrible English. Looking for villagers in need of my assistance. Let's hear the terrible English translation that they have to say. Let's aim our guns at them and make them do our bidding.
やっぱり。しかし、なんでこんなことに。ここしばらくこの村で騒ぎなど起きたことなかったのに。
Oh my goodness, here we go again. Now, just like the last episode we did, where the quote from Shion was not only incorrect, but it was completely out of character for her. That's not the sort of thing that she would ever say. And in a way, because the translation is so bad, not only does it ruin Shion's character, it, ruins the actual scene of the game. And here we have another example. We haven't even crossed the street without looking first. Now, this is something a little child would say, not an old lady in terror having a gun aimed at her head. And what the heck is with this quote? There is no street in this town. There's no cars, there's no traffic signals. In fact, the only thing to cross here is this stupid bridge. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at what she actually said in Japanese. And as you can hear there, it's しばらくこの村に騒ぎなど起きてなかったのに. And this is much more in tune with what an elderly lady would, possibly say. And let's go ahead and break this down and see what she actually said here. In a nutshell, what she's saying here is, we haven't broken any of the rules. Or we've been, following the law. We haven't, broken any rules here in this town. So for a while, in this town, we haven't had a sawagi, which is an uproar or a disturbance. Sawagi is a good Japanese word, quite useful. It's to make a fuss, making an uproar, that sort of thing. An uproar, a disturbance, etc., etc. But direct translation, and probably the best translation, is we haven't done anything here to break the law, or we have been following the law. For now, in this village, we haven't raised any kind of ruckus, or we haven't, had any kind of uproar or any trouble. We've just been quiet, peaceful, up until now. So what's going on? Well, yeah, she definitely did not say, we haven't even crossed the street without looking first. That's definitely a childish expression. Yeah, completely out of character, as well as translated incorrectly. I mean, look, even Shion and Alphen here are completely horrified by this terrible English translation. Alright, you all know what time it is. Time to murder these retarded, idiotic translators that don't know what they're doing. Arrgh. Good job, masked vandal. We appreciate your service.